Meanwhile, preparations for the rainy season were tackled in today's full NDRR Council meeting in Camp Aguinaldo in Quezon City. Also up in the agenda were updates on Bulusan volcano in Sorsogon, the threat of MERS-CoV, and the National Disaster Response Plan for earthquakes. This report.
The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council has tackled 4 things the country must be prepared for. These include earthquake, typhoon, active volcanoes, and MERS-CoV. The metro-wide earthquake set. This will be led by the MMDA, wherein all residents in Metro Manila are expected to participate. However, those who expressed their intention to participate in the drill on July 30 only reached 18,000. Included were the private sector, public schools, hospitals, military, police, and government offices.
Plano po natin, itaas yung level of preparedness and awareness para po sa ganon, sa 2016, mas maganda yung drill. Sa 2017, mas maayos yung drill. 2018, hanggat ma-perfect po natin ito. Wala pong masama na maghanda tayo.
The DILG, on the other hand, handed over Operation Listo, which explains what emergencies to all local governments. These were their participation in the preparation for the rainy season.
Isang guide para sa ating mga kapulisan, bombero, at iba pa, ang staff ng DILG, paano tulungan yung mayor at paano din naman bigyan ng abiso, i-connect sa dapat makatulong na ahensya upang lalong mapabilis yung pagdating ng mga kaukulang tulong.
Meanwhile, the DOST Pag-asa confirmed El Nino will last up until the last quarter of the year. The Department of Agriculture has been advised to take precautionary measures. Even the public was told to water.
Dapat magplano po kung paano natin gagamitin yung ating tubig dahil kumukha lang po ng anggat ay ang agriculture ay nasa second priority. Ang first priority is third priority yung agriculture. Ang first priority is domestic consumption. Ang second priority is power supply generation, and the third priority agriculture.
Moreover, concerned government agencies are monitoring active volcanoes in the country as well as the MERS-CoV. Undersecretary Alexander Pamas said the government still targets zero casualty.
Yung dalawang aspeto po na preparedness and awareness. Awareness po, tuloy-tuloy po natin pinapaabot sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya nga alinsunod na naman po ito sa ating simpleng formula na mabawasan yung mga casualties, yung formula ng 1+1. 1, yung preparedness ng ating pamahalaan at lahat ng mga sektor na may kinalaman dito kasama yung private sector.